So their wave pool is closed. It's under construction, and a lazy boy pool also closed. That's their wave pool. Other than that, this is a lazy boy pool, but it's also under construction. If you are planning to come here in month of September or October, do not come here because two of their main indoor pools are under construction and outdoor pools are already closed. They said they emailed me that their pools are under construction, but when I checked my email, I received this morning at around 1 No, around like 12 noon. So I was already here. So I told them that I did not receive an email, and I just checked that I was on the way when I received that email. So they refunded me. I'm not gonna stay here. So am I going to stay in a wilderness, or I will see what options do I have now. We'll see. It's all under construction. I have stayed in a wilderness before in Wisconsin Dells, and I think wilderness is better than Kalahari. That's my opinion. Let me know in the comments below which one you guys like better, wilderness or Kalahari at Wisconsin Dells. In my opinion, wilderness is better. And this is their jacuzzi. That's the only pool is open for adults, and 2 of the small pools for kids. That's the jacuzzi. There's another jacuzzi with a bar. So they told me that they're gonna refund my amount in a week. That's there, you can book a private sitting place. That's another slide. I'm like, what anyone is gonna do here? The wave pool and lazy boy pool, both are closed. So I guess that's the main 2 pools which you enjoy. Other than that, slides are good, but I mean, like, you're not gonna take a slides. You're not gonna keep taking the slides. Obviously, you're gonna, like, go on a lazy boy or a wave pool. So yeah, I got my refund. And if you guys coming in September 2022 or October, I don't know, just call them before you guys coming here. That is it still under construction? If it is, then I will say it's not worth coming here. Where's the way to go out? Okay, yeah, so because it's under construction, you cannot go this way. You have to go all the way back, go back around. So I'll show you what's left here. I'm also not staying because my son, he's 2 years old. He cannot take all these slides. We came here for him. He, like, when the last time we came to Wisconsin Dells, he was enjoying the lazy boy pool, and he was in the tube, and he was really enjoying it. And he also enjoyed the wave pool. Okay. So that's why I'm not staying. So you cannot go from here because of the construction. I have to go all the way around. So yeah, that's it. That's their indoor pool. Just call them before you guys come or when you guys are making reservation. I received my email today, this afternoon around like 12 or 1, but I was already on the way. I was driving. I did not see the email. So yeah. Now I might go into Wilderness or Wolf Lodge, or I don't know. I will see what options I have now. All under construction. That's the only pool for adults. And 2 small pools for kids. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope when you guys come here, all this construction would be over and you guys will enjoy Kalahari Resort. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you guys in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.